Joint Chief Electoral Officer 2 S. Daulat Khan appealed to not be misled by misinformation of the EVM machine not being secure and clarified the machine is not being controlled by any external source. He made the statement at a press conference held at the premises of Manipur Chief Electoral Office. He added any ballots cast by voters on the EVM will only be adjudged to the name of the candidate they selected. He urged the public to personally come to the District Election Officer or RO office of the SDO or DC office and check the machines if they have any doubts.
Voters in the election vote Tather Matamda Masi, no boy the Nava, Hana Tather, Yang never get the Maktaso, Koina, Yang never get the Maktaso, District Election Officers in DC office, putting Maktaso, Sigi awareness key, Hogi EVM, Vipet Tambani, then SDO office sing a Hogi. RO office returning officer or either SDO sing Amadi BDO sing Makogi office to Suloina Labani, Adogasi Sum, I am Salaga, what Tada Agani, I know Tatri reports to Mibrasum, the Brahabi Salaga Yangosu Agani, political parties sing Hangalaga, stakeholders sing Hangalaga, Loina Yamna secure among the Loina packets of Actani, malpractice key question. I'm a how like they have a potsi, Mayam the media get home the show, media get home the electoral cutting Makta Kangan.